Welcome to Dimple's and Arabian Journey, sharing recipes every Sundays and Thursdays. If you like us, don't forget to subscribe us and do hit the bell icon for all the further notifications. Please do find us on our Facebook and Instagram page by following the hashtag #FloraandAroma. So today's unique recipe out of the box is very easy, simple spaghetti pasta, that is tomato spaghetti. Let us start. Let us now have a look onto the ingredient list below. 1 large tomato, finely chopped. 1 green capsicum, roughly chopped. 2 tablespoons of tomato chili ketchup. Half cup of garlic, finely chopped. 3 blanched tomatoes, or instead you can also use tomato puree. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 tablespoons of herb mix powder, which also include rosemary, 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper powder and same ratio red chili flakes. Any brand of olive oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons. 100 to 200 grams of spaghetti pasta. Let's now boil the pasta by adding around 3 cups of water and boil it for around 8 to 10 minutes roughly. Start with adding salt around 1 tablespoon or more and 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Just boil it for 8 to 10 minutes on medium flame. While our pasta cooks, we can also start preparing for the tomato sauce. If you like your tomato sauce to be thick enough, then completely skip adding the pasta water to it. Please note that the parsley leaves are completely optional. So now, after 15 minutes, our tomato sauce is completely ready and perfect consistency too. Please add the pre-cooked pasta to the tomato sauce and give it a gentle mix. Don't forget to serve them very hot and enjoy with adding more of the sauce to it. So, hope you all enjoyed watching this recipe today. the recipe of unique, simple, and easy pasta. So stay connected to Dimples and Arabian Journey and enjoy. Please don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe us. Do leave us with your valuable comments under the comment section below. And do have a look onto the description box.